show you how to make this beautiful vanilla cake. So if you want to learn how, just keep watching. So for this recipe, you will need some deciliter measuring cups, a mixer, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 200 grams of butter, 3 eggs, half a deciliter of milk, mixing bowl, 4 deciliters of flour, 2.5 deciliters of sugar. First thing I'm going to do is just cut up this butter, the 200 grams, put it in a bowl and microwave it. So I'm making a mark there, and then I'll cut there. Okay, next I have my 2.5 deciliters of sugar in here. I have melted all my butter, and I will pour it in the batter. And now that that is in, we're going to give it a mix with our hand mixer. After you mix, it should basically just look like that. Doesn't look much different. The next thing I'm going to do is basically just crack in my eggs. Okay, and then the last thing is the milk. Half a deciliter of milk. Put that in. Now what we're going to do is put in our dry ingredients, which is the flour and the baking powder. 4 deciliters of the flour. Put that in there. 2, 3, 4. Done. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Everything in there. I'm just going to give this a mix first before starting it, because we don't want flour flying everywhere. That's not good. And now we can start giving this a mix. Now it should basically be looking like that, like very frothy. I can tell that this is ready because it tastes really good. Now we're going to put our oven to 175 degrees Celsius. There. And in you go. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you found this recipe useful, and I hope you did, because just look at this cake. It's so good. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, watch my last video right over there, and subscribe right down below. Okay, bye!